The question is y double dash. First we can express in the operator form, that is f of d into y, d square plus 2d plus 5 into y is equal to 4 e power minus t cos 2t. Let it be equation 1. It is in the form of f of d into y is equal to p of x. To find the complementary function by using of the auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. Here m square plus 2m plus 5 is equal to 0. Here 3 2s are 5. Oh, here no real roots. We will get the another minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac. 4 into 1 into c is 5 by 2 into a, 2 into 1, that is equal to minus 2 plus or minus under root of 20 minus 4, 16, that is minus 16 by 2. 4 4 is 16, it is minus 2 plus or minus 4i by 2 equal to minus 1 plus or minus 2r. M roots are minus 1 plus or minus 2r. Then the complementary function is yc is equal to e power minus t into c1 cos 2t plus c2 sin 2t. The particular integral is yp equal to 1 by f of d into q of t. It is equal to 1 by d square plus 2d plus 5 into 4 e power minus t cos 2t. It is yp equal to, it is the exponential rule for e power minus t right left side. Immediately d is replaced with d minus 1 whole square minus 2 into d minus 1 plus 5 cos 2t. It is equal to 4 e power minus t 1 by d square minus 2d plus 1 minus 2d plus 2 plus 5 2 cos 2t equal to 4 e power minus t 1 by d square minus 4d plus 1 plus 2 plus 5, it's 8 cos 2t. Next to go to the cos 80 rule, that is 4 e power minus t into 1 by d square is replaced with minus a square, that is minus 2 square minus 4. It's minus 4 minus 4d plus 8 into cos 2t. It is equal to 4 e power minus t into 1 by 4 minus 4d cos 2t. Rationalize 4 e power minus t 4 plus 4d by 4 4s are 16 minus 16d square into cos 2t. Then yp equal to 4 e power minus t. 4 into cos 2t is, taking 4 is common, cos 2t, and derivative of cos 2t is minus 2 sin 2t by 16 is common, 1 minus d square equal to minus 4. 4 ones are 4 fours are equal to, here 4 ones are, here 4 ones are, e power minus t into cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t by 1 plus 4 is 5. Therefore, yp equal to e power minus t by 5 into cos 2t minus 2 sin 2t. This is yp. And therefore, the general solution of f of d into y is equal to p of x is y equal to yc plus yp. That is equal to e power minus t into c1 cos 2t plus c2 sine 2t plus e power minus t by 5 into cos 2t minus 2 sine 2t is the required general solution of the given equation. Okay, is it clear? The next problem. Here the given equation, let it be equation 1, which is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Here f of d is d square d power 4 plus d square plus 1. Q of x equal to e power minus x by 2 cos of root 3 by 2 into x. Here to find the complementary function by using of the auxiliary equation, that is f of m equal to 0. Here m power 4 plus m square plus 1 is equal to 0. In this also again we can take the roots m square equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac 4ac by 2a. It is m square is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. The question we can correct in the place of d square is 2d square, then here also 2d square. Then it is the auxiliary equation is m power 4 plus 2m square plus 1 equal to 0. It is in the form of m square plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Then m square plus 1 is equal to 0. M square plus 1 equal to 0. So m equal to minus m square equal to minus 1, that is I square. M equal to plus or minus I plus or minus I. In this, the complementary function is by c equal to c1 plus c2x into cos x plus c3 plus c4x into sin x. This is the complementary function. Next, to take the particular integral. Particular integral is equal to yp equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. It is equal to 1 by d power 4 plus 2d square plus 1 into e power minus x by 2 cos of root 3x by 2. In this also we can write we can write e power minus x by 2 left side. Immediately d is replaced with d minus 1 by 2 whole power 4 plus 2 into d minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 1 cos of root 3 by 2 into x. Then here we can expand this one. 4c naught equal to 1 equal to 4c4 and 4c1 equal to 4c3 equal to it's 4. 4c2 equal to 4 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. It's 6. 3 into 2 factorial, it's correct. It means 3 to the 6. So we can write this one yp equal to e power minus x by 2 into 1 by d power 4 minus 4 into d cube into 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 6 d square into 1 by 2 whole square minus 4d into 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 2 whole power 4. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus 2 into d square minus 2ab, 2 cancel, that is d, plus 1 by 4 plus 1 into cos of root 3 by 2 into x. Then it is equal to e power minus x by 2 into 1 by 2 ones are 2 twos are d power 4 minus 2 d cube. It's 2 into 2, 1 2, 1 2 ones are 2 threes are plus 3d square by 2 minus 8, 4 ones are 4 twos are minus d by 2 plus 1 by 16 minus, sorry, plus 2d square minus 2d plus 2 ones are 2 twos are 1 by 2 plus 1 into cos of root 3 by 2 to x. It is equal to e power minus x by 2 1 by d power 4 minus 2d cube, here plus 3d square by 2 plus 2d square, taking LCM 3 plus 4 7 by 2 d square minus d by 2 minus 2d, 2 2s are 4 minus 5d by 2 plus it's 3 by 2, 1 by 16 plus 3 by 2 into 8. 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 16. Cos of root 3 by 2 into x. It is equal to e power minus x by 2 1 by, here d square is equal to minus root 3 by 2 whole square. This is minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4, d power 4 equal to minus 3 by 4 whole square. It's 9 by 16. This is 9 by 16 minus 2d into minus 3 by 4 plus 7 by 2 into minus 3 by 4 minus 5d by 2 plus 25 by 16 into cos of root 3 by 2 into x. It is equal to e power minus x by 2 1 by, only here 2 ones are 2 twos are minus into minus plus 3d by 2 minus 5d by 2. It is minus 2d by 2. It's minus d. This is minus d. Next here, these two are over. Next here, 9 by 16 plus 25 by 16. It's 34 by 16 minus 7 threes are 21 by 8 into 2. It's 16, 42 minus 34. It's minus 42 plus 34. It is minus 8 by 16, 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Cos of root 3 by 2 into x. In this, yp is equal to, taking LCM, and minus common. It's minus 2 into e power minus x by 2 d minus 1 by d square minus 1 cos of root 3 by 2 into x. It is equal to minus 2 e power minus x by 2. Here derivative of cos is minus root 3 by 2 sin x plus minus cos of root 3. Wait a minute. Minus root 3 by 2 into sine of root 3 by 2 into x minus cos of root 3 by 2 into x whole by, in the place of d square, minus 3 by 4 minus 1. Here just we can take in common, sorry, here 2d will come. Minus 1 minus 2d, then minus is common, then it is plus 2d. Here 2d means 4d square, then 2d plus 1 into 2d minus 1, 2d 4d square minus 1, it is 4d square. This is 4d square minus 1. Here 2 will come in the before of the derivative. Here 2 cancel. Okay, here 4 cancel. Then it is minus 4. It is equal to minus 2 by minus 4 e power minus x by 2 into minus root 3 sine of, minus is also common, then okay, minus root 3 sine root 3 by 2 into x minus cos of root 3 by 2 into x. Here 2 ones are, 2 twos are, minus minus cancel. Then minus 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 into root 3 into sine of root 3 by 2 into x plus cos of root 3 by 2 into x. It is yp. Therefore, y equal to c1 plus c2 x into cos x plus c3 plus c4 x into sin x is the yc. Yp is minus 1 by 2 e power minus x by 2 into root 3 into sine of root 3 by 2 into x plus cos of root 3 by 2 into x is the required general solution of the given problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Now it's clear. D square minus 1 into y equal to x sin x plus x square e power x. Let it be equation 1. It is in the form of f of d into y is equal to q of x. Take the auxiliary equation f of m is equal to 0. M square minus 1 equal to 0. M square equal to 1. M equal to plus or minus 1. The complementary function is yc equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. Yp equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. It is equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into x sin x plus x square e power x. Write separate terms. Yp equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into x sin x plus 1 by d square minus 1 into x square e power x. Let it be yp1 plus yp2. Here we can take yp2 equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into x square e power x. E power x right left side, d is immediately replaced with d plus 1 whole square minus 1 in the numerator x square It is e power x into 1 by expansion of d plus 1 whole square, d square plus 2d plus 1 minus 1 into x square plus 1 minus 1 cancel. It is e power x into 1 by taking 2d common, 1 plus d square by 2d. In the numerator, x square 1d cancel in the factor. It is equal to e power x by 2. 1 plus d by 2 is taken to the numerator. It goes to inverse and integration of x square dx. 1 by d means integration. It is equal to e power x by 2. And this is the integration of x square is x cube by 3. And we can take up to cube term 1 minus d by 2 plus d by 2 whole square minus d by 2 whole cube. Then yp2 equal to e power x by 2 into 1 into x cube by 3, x cube by 3 minus derivative is 3x square by 2 3s are 6 plus d square by 2 2s are 4. 3 into 2x by 3 minus 1 by 8, 3 into 2 into 1 by 3. Here 3 ones are 3 ones are cancelled, 3 ones are 3 ones are cancelled, 3 ones are 3 twos are cancelled. Okay. It is equal to e power x by 2 into x cube by 3 minus x square by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are plus x by 2 minus 2 ones are 2 fours minus 1 by 4. Okay, this is the yp2. If you want take LCM, then we can take the LCM, but no need also here. Okay, this is yp2 is over. Next we can yp1 equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into x sin x. Okay, for sin x means we can take the imaginary part of 1 by d square minus 1 x e power ix equal to imaginary part of e power ix right left side 1 by d plus I whole square minus 1 into x equal to imaginary part of e power ix 1 by d square plus 2di plus I square means minus 1 plus I square means minus 1 into x is yp1 equal to imaginary part of e power ix 1 by d square plus 2di minus 2 into x equal to imaginary part of e power ix minus 2 is taking common 1 by 1 minus of d square plus 2di by 2 in the numerator x. It is equal to imaginary part of e power ix by minus 2 taken to the numerator, that function 1 minus d square plus 2di by 2 whole inverse into x. Yp1 equal to imaginary part of e power ix by minus 2 into 1 plus d square plus 2di by 2 into x equal to imaginary part of e power ix by minus 2 into 1 into x plus double derivative is 0 plus single derivative, one derivative of x is 1 only, I whole by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are cancel. It is equal to imaginary part of e power ix by 2 into x plus I equal to imaginary part of cos x plus I sin x by 2 into x plus I. In this, we can choose only imaginary parts. Real into imaginary. 1 by 2 into cos x. Real into imaginary is imaginary. Imaginary into real plus x sin x. Next, imaginary into imaginary real. Real into real is also real, but we cannot choose real parts. Only we can choose imaginary parts. So, the yp1 is equal to 1 by 2 into cos x plus x sin x. Therefore, the general solution of f of d into y is equal to q of x is y equal to yc plus yp. Here, the complementary function is c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. By p1 is 1 by 2 into cos x plus x sin x. By p2 is plus e power x by 2 into x cube by 3 minus x square by 2 plus x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is the required general solution.
And the fifth one also, ma'am.
Solution. The previous problem, this problem same in the YC, only we can find out the YP. Here YC equal to e power C1 e power x plus C2 e power minus x. It's over from the previous problem. Yp equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into x sine 3x plus 1 by d square minus 1 into cos x. This is equal to, here it is equal to yp1 plus yp2. Here yp2 equal to 1 by d square minus 1 into cos x. It is equal to a is 1, a square, d square is minus 1. That is 1 by minus 2 cos x. It's over yp2. Yp2 equal to minus 1 by 2 cos x. Since d square equal to minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. So it's over. We can find out the yp1. Yp1 equal to 1 by d square minus 1 x sine 3x. It is equal to imaginary part of e power 3ix. Imaginary part of 1 by d square minus 1 x into e power I 3x or 3ix. We know that 3ix equal to cos 3x plus I sin 3x. So in this imaginary part is sin 3x. So it is equal to imaginary part of e power 3ix into 1 by, it is right left side means immediately d is replaced with d plus 3i whole square minus 1x. It is equal to imaginary part of e power 3ix 1 by d square plus 2 3s are 6 di, 3 3s are 9, I square is minus 1, minus 9 minus 1 into x. It is equal to imaginary part of e power 3ix 1 by minus 10 is taking common 1 minus d square plus 6 di by 10 into x, taking to the numerator, imaginary part of e power 3ix by minus 10 into 1 minus of d square plus 6 di by 10 whole inverse into x equal to imaginary part of e power 3ix by minus 10 1 minus x whole inverse 1 plus x d square plus 6 di by 10 into x only. We know that the derivative of x is constant, double derivative is 0. Is equal
Yes,
to imaginary part of e power 3ix by minus 10 1 into x plus double derivative is 0 plus 6 1 derivative of x is 1 into I by 10 2 3s are 2 5s are equal to imaginary part of e power 3ix by minus 10 into x plus 3i by 5 equal to imaginary part of, in the place of e power 3ix is cos 3x plus I sin 3x whole by minus 10 into x plus 3i by 5. We can choose only imaginary parts, real into imaginary. 3 cos 3x, 5 tens are 50, minus 3 cos 3x by 50. Next, real into real is real, real into imaginary, imaginary, imaginary into real, plus x sin 3x by minus 10. Suppose we can take minus 10 is common means, so the denominator minus 1 by 10 is nothing but 3 by 5 cos 3x plus x sin 3x. That is yp1. Therefore, y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x minus 1 by 2 cos x, or first write yp1 minus 1 by 10 into 3 by 5 cos 3x plus x sin 3x minus 1 by 2 cos x is the yp. So it is the required general solution of one given equation.